Did you know that a plane once landed in Red Square without being detected? And today, it's the nightmare of Russia and Ukraine. You might think it's this one. Or maybe this one. But nope. We're talking about the humble Cessna 172. The same plane that set a record in 1958 for the longest non-stop flight, and one you can buy for just $432,000. With its mighty 180 horsepower, you'd never think this little aircraft could strike fear into Vladimir Putin. Or would you? But Ukrainians have shown that creativity knows no bounds. They turned the Cessna 172 into a drone loaded with explosives, capable of hitting strategic targets like refineries over 600 miles away. This small plane now serves a completely different purpose. What do you think of this strategic move? Did you ever expect it from such a simple aircraft? Let us know in the comments.